Instagram पे there was this meme traveling. You can't be liked by everybody. You're not Rajma Chawal.
It's too much. Like I've heard that so many times, and I'm like, you're too less. So we've both been in relationships where we made this person like our project.
I want to be vulnerable. Like take care of me. You know.
नहीं बनना है strong independent woman और. You think your relationship has evolved and changed like that with your mother?
100%.
We've reached that point where our parents need us to be parents at a lot of points.
All I always wanted to do was just work hard, so I could just hear, "I'm proud of you."
पहले भी पूछा करते थे, अच्छा तुम 3 बहनें हो, भाई नहीं है? तो मैंने बोला यार, इतनी प्रॉब्लम है, I'll grow a mustache, yeah.
What do you think is like the best part about having a sister?
When you have an elder sister, they're gonna be your mom.
She's crying.
She's too perfect. Stop
Yeah.
it.
Hug. Just hug. All right, so the Kakkar sisters with me on the Good Girls show. Hi.
Hi.
Thank you so much for being on this very good show. Just called the Good
Good
Girls show. So we're going to start with something fun. This is called the Good Girls
my
Report
God.
Card. Wow.
Okay, Good Girls
the Good
Report
Girls Report card.
Oh my
Okay.
God.
So I've been called. What are the words you've been called?
I've been called loud. Girls, because like I think we're all sisters, so we know how to be girls. Too
Yeah.
much, a lot of times, too many times. Bold, dramatic, opinionated, which I agree. Sensitive, also. Talkative, bossy. Like those bachpan wali report cards, always, like those report cards that I had, and I still have it. She talks too much, she's very talkative in class. So like all of that has always been there. But I think that's just common in the family.
It's common in the family. So when she said, I don't remember reading this in her report card, but I remember that in mine. Because मैं तो अकेली थी ना for a good 8 years till they came. So all the focus was always like on me. Report card देखो, अगर A+ का A हो गया, तो बहुत problem है. It's a problem. So she excels in the class. She's very intelligent. Blah 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 blah. But
talkative.
also very talkative. So बाकी सारी चीजें डिस्काउंट हो जाए, talkative पे गाड़ी रुक जाती थी.
So you're also, it's the same word?
Mine is bold. For always making bold choices. बिना किसी को जाने, you left the city, you went to Bombay, your parents also left everything. Such a bold move, la la la. Without having like a godfather, etc. etc. Sarcastic, not really. Talkative, like I said. Dramatic, they both call me very dramatic.
She is dramatic.
Yeah.
It's in the family though. Drama karna hai.
Dramatic, bossy. I think my husband says I'm very bossy. Yeah, or not just him, but all the people that I work with, because bossy.
Even dad says.
Yeah. But I get
It's
stuff
like
done. You
it's a
need
first
one
child
bossy.
syndrome.
You
Yeah.
need to be the boss.
Yeah, कोई तो चाहिए ना to get stuff done, to get Papa to agree to everything they are saying.
And to what you're saying.
Right.
Too much opinionated and brave.
Prakriti?
I've picked everything. So
Everything you did.
yeah, I can be loud because I just think I have a very loud voice.
Acha.
I think it
Loud
comes
and
from
proud.
stage. Bold, yes. Sarcastic, not so much. Talkative, girl. I think when you're born in a family like ours, you don't have a choice. You're like a girl.
You just become one.
Yeah. So yeah, it's really easy for us to be girls because we were born together. So whether it's keeping secrets or whether it's having the girl code, it's there. Dramatic, I think it's been established.
In the blood. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Sensitive, yes. Crying is like my own little therapy. So I'm sensitive about everything.
Yeah.
Bossy, I don't know. Too much, yes. Too much for a lot of families.
yeah.
Too much was a thing that actually started happening, when you get into relationships and stuff like that. Men also call you too much. So I think that's the time when I realized that too much is even a thing, because before that I thought I'm like completely perfect. And I still agree to
You
that.
still are perfect.
I love that.
Too much for me.
Yeah.
It's too much. Like I've heard that so many times and I'm like, you're too less. So it's that sort of a thing. So that still is a little bit of a trigger when somebody calls me too much. But before that it was never a negative thing. Like too much to too much.
Do you remember any incident moment when somebody just called you too much and you were like, yeah, is cheez ke liye?
No,
When does that generally happen?
For me, it was not too much. It was I think the whole label of everybody looking at me as इसकी वजह से सब लोग बॉम्बे आए, you know, and oh, such a brave girl, yeah, you've done so much by yourself. So I think what might have happened when I was listening to the whole thing was maybe I was not brave. Maybe the circumstances, the situations just made me brave, and I didn't know any other way. I didn't know what else to be or feel like, because I never gave myself the option to fail or a plan B in life. So that's the only option I knew. That's the only option I had, which was to be brave and just go on and not look back. So
Yeah.
brave, I think, is something that now I look back and I'm like, sometimes you get tired of being brave also, no? Sometimes you want to be protected. You want, like, that one person in your life who will be like, it's okay, you fail. Dekhi jayegi. It's okay. But it's not like my dad sat me down and said, you cannot fail. I think it was a very self-imposed sort of a thing that the responsibility that just, I don't know, just came.
इसको कहते हैं eldest daughter syndrome.
Probably.
It is there. No, I absolutely agree. जब आप ये कह रहे थे, so I have a younger sister. Okay, and when people do ask me that when you look back, what is it that you would want to change? I keep saying that I wish I could have taken myself less seriously. है ना, मतलब I was like the good girl, you know, the perfect girl, teacher's favorite, academically very good, हर चीज में very good. So I needed, you know, somebody to tell me कि ठीक है यार, fail हो जाए, it's okay. You don't have to be good all the time.
Now
at
when I
everything.
look at it, तो मुझे लगता है कि I don't know if it would have been. It's almost like if you haven't ever tasted junk food, you don't know how good or bad that is.
हाँ.
So I don't know, because that time it was just everything was happening back to back. Now I feel like now I don't want to be so brave. Also, I want to be vulnerable. I want to be like, take
Pampered.
care of me, you know, you know, like that.
Yeah. नहीं बनना है strong, independent woman और. Prakriti, what is that one word that really stuck with you?
I think it was established to me personally that in school, you know, I'm a great student, I'm good in curriculars, and, you know, I can sing, I get appreciated. But somehow, I used to always come second. And it was just something like, you know, when it's a singing competition, I used to come second. I used to come second in my class. If it's an art competition, I'm coming second. And then I was just like, I was even born second, you know. So there's this second wala seconds, which I'm just like, when am I going to come first, you know? So that's just something that I deal with, and I think that was ingrained in my system since school. Because I used to always come second, and I still wonder, you know, when am I going to be on top? Like, but I don't get emotional about it, you know. Like, I think I've also learned to sort of take myself less seriously, and I think the older that I'm getting, I'm really realizing truly what happiness and success means. And I don't think it's really just about being on top of your game all the time. I think it's really just about having fun, and that's something that we all forget to do.
Yeah.
So I think now I'm turning 30 next year, and the first number of those two numbers is changing forever, and you'll never be in your 20s, you know.
And I think
So-
it सब लोग बोल के also ना, they scare you a lot even before you've reached your big 30, that everything changes, your body changes, your way of life
Yes.
changes, everything changes. You won't even know it, and you know your digestion will go out of the window.
It's already
And you
going
will-
out of the window. That's why I'm having coffee.
You will really have to work.
But I can't do coffees, you know, I can't.
That's true.
You'll always find Eno and Papu's back.
It's actually true. I made a
Or
reel about.
Pandy. Or
हाँ.
Pandy. Imagine.
I made a reel about the same, like, you know, last week कि भाई क्या हो गया ऐसा? What just like
Wait,
changed?
how old are you?
I just turned 30. Okay, so
I'm the senior here now. Everybody, thanks.
so it's freaked me out. Like, you know, like the transition from 29 to 30 was crazy. It was crazy because you know what happens is कि आप सोचने लग जाते हो कि मैंने जो सोचा था कि मैं अचीव करूंगी by 30, have I been able to, you know, do that?
I think it's the pressure also, right? Okay, now you're supposed to enter into a new thing in your life, you know, you're supposed to settle down and like stuff like that. It's just such a normal thing that people do, and like I feel like all my friends at this point are married, and
Yeah.
all my life I grew up thinking that you know, मैं तो last में शादी करूँगी. Like, let everybody close to me get married, then I'll think about it.
And now that's happening.
That's
Suku.
still not happening.
Yeah.
So it's just that, and I feel like just we talk about this all the time. Like turning 30, like we're just going to be the 20-year-olds, probably with more money than we were in our 20s.
Yeah,
So
but
we'll
always, I
invest
think
and we know
next
what to do
year,
with it.
if you ask me my age, I'm just gonna be like 20 something.
No, but I'll tell you,
Yeah.
as somebody who
please.
is in the 30s,
Hmm.
I just want to tell you guys, all you girls, that it's not scary on the other side. Of course, we need to be more mindful of what we eat and how we live, and those are just better decisions for life.
But you know what I feel bad about? Like when a man turns 30 and a woman turns 30, it's not the same thing. Like it's really not
Is
the
it
same
anymore? Really?
thing. I think so. Like I feel like a 35-year-old guy and a 35-year-old woman are looked at very differently. Like
I
still feel like
understand that
is there.
physically because you know with the whole biological clock, like the woman is probably
bhai,
going to bear a child if she
words.
wants to, right? But like a man will never, and you know he's probably only going to get fitter and finer
Yeah.
and probably more handsome. Like you know, salt and pepper is always a hit with the men, but not with the women.
Not with the women.
So it's just those things.
Is this also मतलब ये भी डर है कि यार see what happens is that in this industry there is obviously women have always girls have always been told कि हमारी एक shelf life है and especially as artists as people in the
Performers.
public eye as performers एक shelf life है so I remember like you know my transition from 29 to मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा डर था कि oh my god now people are not going to consider me young anymore और like क्या होगा like will I actually get to work as much
yeah.
कि ये सारी चीजें हैं are these things on
You
top
know,
of your
I
mind?
think that again, a lot of that is conditioning, right? It's just something that we have been told, so we believe. But then the other day we were just sitting and I was literally thinking about all the other people that I look up to, that I like, women, and everybody is older. Like everybody is on a good side of 34, 35, 36, maybe 40, you know. So there's a lot of good years in us, and I really want to believe that. And like I said, it's conditioning. We all think that, oh my god, now what will happen, you know? But ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. हमने बस बनाया हुआ है. So
Right.
it's not like that.
Yeah, and Akriti, would you agree being on the other side now? Do you think कि ये shelf life वाली चीज सिर्फ made up है and actually we should not really worry about that too much?
ये शेल्फ लाइफ ये कॉर्पोरेट वर्किंग लोगों के लिए क्यों नहीं होती?
True.
तो फिर हम अपने ऊपर why should we you know apply the same, I mean whatever we are hearing. Of course I know it's probably harder for actors, but I would love to continue singing till I really can, till I physically can, you know, and keep reinventing myself. डर तो हमेशा ही लगेगा. I'll only probably get bored of what I'm doing, you know, if I do the same thing for like 3 years, 4 years in a row.
Even Dua Lipa is 29.
Yeah.
So is Kendall Jenner.
Look at
so I
Yeah.
Let's ask them, are they freaking
But guys, look at the
my God.
Indian Beyonce that we have at this point. I absolutely admire Sunidhi Chauhan. Look at how she's sort of reinvented herself completely after, you know, having become Sunidhi Chauhan for the world.
Yeah.
But if we have to give an example within performers, just look at her. It's an inspiration. I absolutely love how she's put forth herself with a completely new badass avatar, that she's singing, killing it, performing, killing it, looking the way she is, incredible. So who can look at her and, you know, say, oh, she's, I don't know, whatever age she is, but she's definitely not under 30. But who cares? Because she's still killing it and she's doing so well. So we have great examples that we should look at.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask you guys to come back to your report card. There is a section which is the remarks section. पहले वो बताओ कि क्या remarks हुआ करते थे?
All this only bright child, but very talkative. You know, just all of this only.
Did
I
you
really
try
have
to
go
talk?
back to it.
Did you try to talk less than कि नहीं मेरे को teachers बोल रहे हैं मेरे को कम बात करनी है?
It's like they used to change my partner because they were like make her sit with somebody else. All that used to
like a
happen.
quiet
I
And
think the
first
partners
them
used
sit
to-
together.
And the partners used to become talkative.
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't have a great school life, if I'm being honest. Like I didn't. I like both of us. I feel like because we just randomly moved to Bombay and we came in the 5th standard, and it was very sudden. We joined midterm, and it was. I don't know. I feel like bullying was a real big thing that we both struggled with, and there was just very hostile feelings all over school. So I don't always look at my school life and be like, oh my god, I miss school, because I
We
really
don't
don't
have a single school friend that I wish to speak to also. Like
Yeah.
very deliberately we've not kept in touch. because-
Bombay school.
Bombay school, of course.
Yeah.
Delhi was very different. But
They
I
were
think,
also very young, so you know.
yeah, but we just didn't. I think looking back at school, we used to always feel like, okay, you know, we're both in each other's life, and God's, you know, put us together for a reason, because nobody wants to be our friend, clearly. And there was just a lot of bullying, and I think school was just not a good place for us. I remember coming home every day and crying with
I was
Suku.
just going to say that, yeah,
Like,
because
every single day.
when they moved to Bombay, they were proper Delhi girls, and Mama used to pack lunch for them and give them a water bottle, and you know, oil their hair, make 2 plaits, and send them to school. And it was not something that Bombay girls in their class had seen, or
Yeah, it
Bombay
was a
school.
big cultural
difference,
yeah.
you know. This is how I was sent to school all my life, you know.
Yeah.
चोटी
दो
बना के,
चोटी
टाइट
बनाकर।
2 चोटी बना के, और वो चोटी ऐसी कि 2 दिन तक नहीं खोलोगे तो नहीं खुलेगी, you know. It was like that tight, and tail, no, really, like it was so like properly oiled hair, neat and clean, proper, एकदम uniform is crisp and all that, socks यहाँ तक, polished shoes and so on and so forth. But they used to feel very left out. You know, these kids have just come from somewhere. These Delhi girls wearing oil in their hair, putting a napkin and spreading their napkin, eating tiffin like good girls, and they stopped taking tiffin also because they came back and said, it's very embarrassing, Mama. We'll take something from the canteen every day, but we're not carrying tiffin to school. So it was a bit hard. Yeah.
What did you girls do to fit in? Because you know, when these things are, when there is bullying happening, जब आपको ऐसा लग रहा है that you feeling cornered, पहली चीज जो इंसान करने की कोशिश करता है is try and fit in.
Yeah.
You know, this awareness and this maturity comes later कि नहीं यार, it's okay, we've got each other.
Yeah.
But the first thing you do is try to fit in. What did you do?
I think even then it was not like, oh, you know, they have to take it or leave it. We didn't have that mentality. I think we were not even that independent that we could possibly get to a place where we're just like, if they don't like us, it's okay. I'm my
Yeah.
own person. ये तो
Yeah.
सब Instagram के बाद आया. Back then, you just feel hopeless, you know, about
Because you have to go to the
yourself.
same class
And
every
you have
day
to
and be with these
sit-
people.
Yeah. And you know, there just used to be so many instances where we would come back and we would just be like, I'm not going to school tomorrow.
Yeah.
But again, I think when I look back at school times, we had each other, and that's what was the reason we used to go to school every day. Because very, very early on in school, we were just like, listen, you have me and I have you, and gladly we're in the same class. And it's okay, you know, like tomorrow if nobody's our friend and we've got each other, and you know, we have our family and our family loves us, it's okay, we're one unit. It doesn't matter.
You would have these conversations with each other.
Yeah,
मतलब
yeah.
बैठकर कि सुन सुकृति.
I'll tell you honestly what she used to say. She used to be like, forget it. If they don't want to be our friends, it's okay. They'll be our fans one day.
Guilty. But I'm just like, secretly that they admire us. It's okay, you know. They're just being so horrible to us.
Yeah. Okay, so these basically were the remarks कि bright है but talkative है, bright है. What is it that you really wanted on your report card?
I don't know, you know. I think जो bola tha, I've always wanted to be those things. I've always aspired to be a class topper, a prefect back in the day, just liked by everybody. I think that is where the problem was. Just being like, वो एक Instagram पे there was this meme traveling. You can't be liked by everybody. You are not Rajma Chawal.
People don't even like Rajma Chawal.
Who are these people?
I know someone who doesn't hates Rajma Chawal.
I
because-
don't like that person already. So I don't know. I always wanted to be the good girl, but sometimes it didn't feel like a compliment. Like, oh, you're a good girl, but oh my God, she's such a good girl. You know, she's always a good girl. She's always like doing the right thing. She always gets a
But
grade.
that's still you.
Yeah. So I don't know.
Like,
if
you're the
I-
goodest girl I know.
Literally. So I don't know if sometimes that feels like sort of a borderline insult, or like it craves, I crave for being something else beyond that, but I don't know if I should be doing that. You know, I always wanted to be like a pack of those, like the poos in school, ke, you know, वो स्कर्ट को फोल्ड करके जा रहे हैं और वो सॉक्स भी नीचे
Rule
है.
breaking.
हाँ, वो रूल ब्रेकर्स जो एक्चुअली मार्कर्स से बाथरूम में कुछ लिखे हैं. I really wanted to do all of that. But I was like, no, bro, this is not me. I'm not going to do that. I don't want to stand outside the class. I am a good girl.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I've heard both of them say so many times कि दीदी एकदम good girl है. दीदी is the goodest girl. But you know, क्या वो ऐसी चीज थी जो आपको लगता था मैं यार ये करूंगी ना तो मतलब I will no more be a good girl. लोग क्या सोचेंगे मेरे बारे में?
Maybe wear short clothes. It was a big obstruction in my mind, and उसके लिए कहीं हद तक my parents are very liberal. In fact, we come from a very basic middle class family, and उस टाइम पे हर चीज़ का बजट हुआ करता था शुरू में when I started performing, and I remember spaghetti tops were a big thing when we started. Spaghetti tops and hipsters. So there were very few shops in Delhi जहाँ से हम लोग कपड़े खरीद के आते थे, and for my concert specifically, and Mama insisted that I buy a couple of spaghetti tops, big, and they were very expensive for us at that point, and I was always very scared of wearing them. Mama, I don't know, I don't feel comfortable because I would step down from my ghar and there would be 10 people on the street looking at me, making me feel uncomfortable. Could be old aunties, it could be auto rickshaw drivers, it could be just neighbors, you know, just looking at you in a certain way, and it would make me feel very bare and just uncomfortable. I didn't know if I was fat or thin or did I have stretch marks. That was not the problem. My body didn't feel, I just felt like weird inside, you know, just the way people saw me. And Mama used to insist, you should not care. देखो पता है कितना महंगा है. So that angle she used, please use it beta, it's very expensive, you know, and that is why I used to impose it on me. नहीं, I have to use it. I have to use it. We can't waste it. That's how I started to wear that a little bit. But I think that was, the biggest. If I wear short clothes, I think people are going to think I'm not a good girl. तो एक वो शायद
That's
एक वो
crazy
था.
because you used to tell us never be like me. Like wear whatever you want, like
Yeah, so
wear
see-
all the short clothes and never do what I did.
Yeah, see,
She
that's
used to say
what.
this
Maybe
to us
because I
all the
couldn't do
time.
it.
But
तो
also
शायद वो
I think
अंदर.
work
But why do you think you couldn't do it? मतलब why did you feel कि मैं नहीं कर सकती ऐसा? Did anybody in your family make you feel that?
No, in fact, my mother always pushed me to sort of wear whatever the hell I wanted to. Nobody, but I don't know. Maybe I grew up in Delhi ज़्यादा, and they didn't. And they probably, I felt that they are safer here. Maybe that. But ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं कि मैं अकेले कहीं जा रही हूँ और किसी ने छेड़ा हो या कभी किसी ने कुछ बोला हो. I think जैसे बस वो environment ही ऐसा था शायद. I don't know how else to explain it.
Right, no, it's true. There is some subliminal messaging होती है आसपास जो हम internalize कर लेते हैं.
Correct.
You know, and it's not necessary कि directly हमारे parents ने कहा. Oh, in fact, my parents are also परसों I went shopping. My mom was here in town, and I went shopping, and she is like pestering me to buy an off-shoulder dress. I'm like, मम्मा मेरे को नहीं पहनना है. Like पहनना कितना अच्छा लगता है.
Sweet.
You know, so it's not.
I suddenly remember I was 11 or something, and we were. I was a part of Little Wonders. तो उस ग्रुप में सब बच्चे ही थे और सब बाहर इंडिया के बाहर जाके we used to do shows. And Wembley Arena में हम लोग perform कर रहे थे as a group of children. Little Stars was the name of the group. I didn't even know what the value of Wembley was at that point, where we were just, you know, loitering around for 2 days doing rehearsals. And a day prior to us, the Spice Girls had performed. So they decided that, you know, we should do like a tribute to them and, you know, do one song. So 3 लड़कियों ने prepare किया, I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So you tell me what you want. और वो पूरा गाना याद करके Anand ji uncle's eldest daughter who lives in London got us clothes, okay? And they were stunning clothes. A sheer jacket and a really short, stretchable, really shiny blue and silver dress. And we were supposed to wear boots and go on stage and sing. 11 साल की बच्ची थी मैं. अभी वो कपड़े पापा ने देखे, ऊपर से पतला सा स्ट्रैप था. पापा से, are you crazy? You're not wearing this. We wear jeans चढ़ाओ इसके ऊपर. So वो छोटी सी ड्रेस थी, and all the girls eventually
That's just wore jeans.
wore jeans and tucked it in.
Can I be honest? Dad till now is super protective. Like, you know, sometimes I come home and I'm in my workout clothes and I'm wearing some shorts and t-shirt, okay, which is normal.
Normal.
And
Yeah.
Dad will be like, क्या पहना है? ऐसे है ये यहाँ पे रिक्शा से है गाड़ी में आई I was like पापा गाड़ी में आई he's like but if there are workers at home he's like no you go
I was just
change
going to say,
you go change
you go
वैसे
change,
पजामा
workers
में जाएगी।
खुद लुंगी में और बनियान में घूम रहे होते
But
हैं.
they would be looking at you not here, na, they'll be looking at you there.
So I
Yeah.
get it.
That is
I
what
get
it
all of
is.
that.
No, but I think dad is very chill. He's just a little protective when there are other people
Other
involved.
people, yeah, yeah.
So
yeah.
otherwise
That's it.
he'll never, you know, really like we can take a holiday with him and be in swimsuits. He won't care.
Yeah, yeah.
But if there are people he doesn't know and
Yeah.
you know or he doesn't trust around us, then it's an issue.
Right. I really want to talk about you know, the importance of sisterhood in life. Okay, you are three sisters. I have grown up with a sister. And I would not have it otherwise. Matlab, I think sisters just make life so special, right? So, what do you think is like really the best part about having a sister? Suku.
So many. Where to begin? I feel like I don't know life otherwise.
Yeah.
And you know, when I meet somebody who's like a single child and you know things like that, and I just don't know how they do it. Like I feel like we are so codependent on each other for so many things, and there are distinctions like in life. Like friends will always come after family, and you know, Prakriti and I are obviously twins, but even with Didi, I feel like it's such a journey, right? And like it's so many different emotions also. Like I feel like right now where we are, it's the closest we've ever been, and I just hope it remains this way for the rest of our lives. And there's so many things that, like I remember it used to be a tradition. I want to get back to this actually. So every birthday of ours, I stumbled upon this very recently. She used to write us letters.
Yeah.
And you know, after so many years, I read so many letters together, like you know, the yearly letters and how the relationship grew. So it was just such a moment for us to understand that this is all we've always had together, and we always will. Like it's not something that you say forever too, because it's just we always will have this. So it's really special, and I hope that you know, it always stays the same.
झगड़े होते थे और mostly have you guys been like nice,
proper
good model?
झगड़े भी होते थे.
Yeah.
हम तीनों में मतलब basically me versus them and them versus each other also भी होता है.
हाँ.
But ऐसा कभी नहीं होता that she's fighting with me and she's not. It's
I-
basically if both, yeah, that's all it is.
No, but I think it's so many times like one of us will fight
No,
with you
but
and the other
this
person will
the
be on
other
your
person
side.
remains quiet. Chup.
Not really.
Yeah, the other person's always like neutral. That
Yeah, I mean somebody has to be sane.
but I'll tell you what. Speaking of sisterhood, when we knew that they're about to come into our lives, back in the day, sex determination was not banned.
हाँ.
So we knew they are girls. And we were over the moon because I know I prayed for, even though I grew up in a joint family, I've prayed for a sibling of my own because 6 of us used to go to school together and then come back in the same school bus and then go to our own houses in the same building, in the same bungalow. But I used to still come back alone on the ground floor. तो मुझे लगता था सबके पास भाई बहन है, मेरे पास ही नहीं है, ये क्या मतलब होता है? तो I used to literally cry. मुझे भी चाहिए मम्मा से, बेटा I wish I could go and purchase one, but I mean
Doesn't work
it's
like
not
that.
happening, you know. What do I do? So they apart from a lot of कहाँ जाके मन्नतें मांगी, ये सब हुआ, and you know, the doctors helped, and भगवान ने भी बोला चल इतना मांग रहे हैं, इनको एक के साथ एक free दे. But तब भी there were a lot of people in extended family and around us, and even now जब कोई हमें तो अब जानते हैं तो कोई ज़्यादा पूछता नहीं है, लेकिन पहले भी पूछा करते थे, अच्छा तुम 3 बहनें हो, भाई नहीं है?
This is such a thing now.
It is.
भाई
you know,
नहीं है.
तीन ही. तो मैंने बोला यार, you know, इतनी problem है, I'll grow a mustache, yeah, you know, but what is it that a son can do and a daughter can't? And why would you miss a son in the family to what? Take forward your legacy? Because why? The daughters can't take care of the parents, girls change their surname, so officially they're not a part of your family, or are they not capable? They're not seen as capable people to carry the legacy forward. क्या होता है मुझे समझ नहीं आया, because हमें तो ऐसे नहीं रेज किया गया, हमें तो नहीं पता. We've always been told and shown that, you know, everybody around us, our parents, our grandparents, our great grandmother who also saw them, you know, everybody was very proud to have 3 girls in the family. और उसके पहले तो सिर्फ लड़के ही लड़के थे, तो they were like actually overjoyed, you know. So I think now धीरे धीरे times are changing. I have a son now. And I really wished for a daughter, but now because he's there, I'll still make a ponytail for him till he doesn't know.
Typical, like boy mom. So Akriti is like is the elder sister, and she has been like the parent figure, right?
Yeah.
The protective one who is. What has she really protected you guys from the most? मम्मी पापा की डांट से प्रोटेक्ट किया है, परमिशन लेने में हेल्प की है.
All of it.
Yeah, I think
All
she's
of it.
been like a different in every different phase of our life. She's helped us differently, right? And I think initially though we used to be scared of her because of probably the age difference, and we used to
Yeah.
also feel like, you know, how to talk to her, and we had each other. But I think over time we became friends, we became more comfortable. But I just think, like, looking back, she will always be the oldest person, right, in our life, who has seen us at every single stage. And nobody could ever replace that, because, you know, friends will come and go. I think the men that we marry will also probably meet us much later in our life. But I think siblings and family will always be those people that have just stayed from the beginning. So it's always going to be our longest relationship. And, you know, mom and dad always say this, that I know it sounds very morbid, but they keep saying that when we're not even around in this world, it's going to be your responsibility to make sure that you guys are in each other's lives as number one priorities. No matter you have your own families, your own houses, your kids. So that's just something that's really special, you know, because I think siblings have to do that for themselves when their parents are no longer around.
Yeah.
So I think that is something that I'm excited to have, you know, in our life. In this, are you crying?
No.
You can cry, you know.
Yeah, I know she can cry
Yeah, I feel
like
she
this.
can cry. But I think that's what's going to be really fun, you know, because when you have an elder sister, they're going to be your mom at some point, but they're also going to be
At
your
some
friend.
point, they didn't
And that
like it too
balance is
much.
What I
Now
love.
I think they just know this is what it is.
But
she's helped us get a lot of
her,
permissions.
Like, approvals for the guys we like. Or if we have to, oh my god, if she doesn't, then
Because she's
that thought
very
is not being entertained.
opinionated. So she doesn't really think before talking to us, and I think that's how it should be. So she's very strong about those opinions, and we take it very seriously. So
Do you like give them advice? आप advice देते हो कि देख शादी के बाद
Yeah, like-
ऐसा या ऐसा नहीं?
रास्ते में भी यही हो रहा था.
I mean, we always like, I think when she got married, like now it's going to be 10 years very soon.
Yeah.
So the question was always like,
Next
do you
year.
recommend it? And she's like, 100%.
You know, because
Best
she's
decision.
always asked me, both of them have asked me, how do you know this is it? And I don't know. Like, how can I tell you this is it? Because I always tell them it should just not feel like too much effort. It should just feel very easy. Because that's how it felt for me. It just didn't feel like, no, I need to make this happen. Often girls have this, you know, thing in their head that, no, we like this guy. I know there are red flags, but we're going to turn these red flags into green flags. Because ये हमने अपने ऊपर ये you know, we've imposed this whole responsibility on us to go and change the society, change the world, tailor make a guy. It's not going to happen. So it's a lot of effort. It's a lot of, no, we are not going to fix things. It has to be fixed, and then we will attach ourselves to, you know, that situation.
We've both been in relationships where we made this person like our project, you know.
Yeah,
The
literally.
mission, like,
Literally. And I've
I'm going to
seen
change
how,
him up, you know. But
and
it
I've
doesn't
seen
work
them
out.
changing, you know,
Because-
becoming
yeah.
people who they're actually not. And, you know, it needs to make you flourish,
Yeah.
not deplete you.
Correct. You know, the good girl that I think I first saw in my life was my mother. Okay, and मेरी mom के साथ मेरा relationship काफी change और evolve हुआ है. I think I expected my mom to be good in the sense that my mom was handling a family, इतनी बड़ी family थी, and she used to be angry. Okay, she used to be irritated and frustrated a lot, and मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता था कि यार मेरी मम्मी इतने गुस्से में क्यों रहती है हमेशा. मम्मियाँ तो are supposed to be like emotional all the time and giving and sacrificing all the time.
Bollywood mothers.
ये जो हमने माँ की image चिपका ली थी. हाँ, so I just feel like right now I am guilty of judging my mom a bit because I didn't realize कि मेरी mom की mental health क्या थी उस वक्त. She was probably angry because she was not able to take that pressure of handling such a huge family. So today I see her more as a woman and less as a mother.
Yeah.
And I feel for her. You think your relationship has evolved and changed like that with your mother?
100%. I feel like
I can see you tear up a little.
Yeah, just moms.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me and Prakriti both actually have had a very, I wouldn't say it's been an easy relationship with our mom. And it just has had so many different, aspects to it, because I just feel like we have also lived alone with her for about a year and a half when Didi and Dad were in Bombay. So at that point, we were so young, we like have felt that single parent vibe also. And I've seen her be angry. I've seen her not being able to take the load. I've seen her like do everything. But also she's a very tough lady. Like, she is not, the one to always give you compliments, to always validate you. So I feel like that's where my need of validation was so strong right from the beginning. Like I need validation. Like I would need validation from my family, from my partner, from all of that, because like all I always wanted to do was just work hard so I could just hear, I'm proud of you. And I felt like right from the beginning I really had to earn it. So I feel like I'm still working on that relationship. I feel like most days I'm just working to find and seek that validation.
But
from mom.
like you said, like we're also guilty of probably judging our parents and being like, but why are they not expressive? Like why are they not saying I love you? Sabke parents bolte hai. Or why are they not, saying I'm proud of you every time we leave the house? That's probably because they haven't been brought up in that way. Like it was not culture for them with their parents. My mom has,
And that's what she says. Yeah.
and it's not their fault that it doesn't come naturally to them because their parents never were like that with them. And I don't think there was so much awareness or so many rules and advice for parenting or therapy for that matter. There was or Instagram or social media. Now there's so much knowledge about how to sort of raise kids, how to be with friends. So I just think we should not be so we should be guilty rather of judging our parents and expecting so much out of them because they are doing what they know best.
Prakriti, I really want to ask you this question क्योंकि अब आप खुद एक माँ हो. How do you now look at your mother? Are there things that you realize? Are there things that you like? Oh यार मैंने मम्मी को शायद थोड़ा यहाँ पर ज़्यादा जज कर दिया था because मैं तो imagine भी नहीं कर सकती. मेरी मम्मी जब 30 साल की थी उनके 2 बच्चे थे.
Same.
Look at me. I cannot even imagine.
I've been very, very close to my parents throughout because I think I've not had friends. So they've been by default like everything to me. And Sukriti and Prakriti were always so much younger that what I was dealing with at that point in my life, I felt like it would be a burden to share with them. They're too young to handle that level of stress if it is stressful, or the complexities that come with being 8 years older and being in an industry which is often not very kind and not a bed of roses. But I used to by default just end up sharing everything with my parents, and I was just somehow closer to Papa somehow, even though I could not survive without Mama. Initially, me and Papa moved to Mumbai, and I just knew that नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे ये, मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, मुझे मम्मा चाहिए ही चाहिए. So they moved here, and I am not saying that it would have been the same without her at all, because आप घर आते हो ना, you know that your mom is there. Something just like the puzzle sort of comes together. Everything just falls in place when you know that she's there. Whether it is something as silly as you know, these pants are too loose now, can you just quickly tighten them, ये button लगा दो, अच्छा इसको steam press करना है, आज भी I see that, you know, if one of them has to get ready, their clothes are being steam pressed by mama, you
In
know,
another house
in
now.
another house, in another house now. So I mean, these are very, very small things, but now since I am a mother myself, even though my son is just 15 months old, but the stories that I've heard from all of my family and her friends and everybody who knows me from my childhood about how mama has taken the level of pains she's taken to basically just feed me food, just carry my parantha and dahi or khichdi or something like that, only these 3-4 things, wo dekho kawa ek bite muh mein, wo dekho train ek bite muh mein, and then I would throw up, and I was a very, very fussy, very picky eater. So I remember mama always told me, tera bachcha hoga na tujhe pata chalega. अब वो जब नहीं खाता है ना, मुझे इतना रोना आता है, इतना रोना आता है, और मैं वो सब नहीं कर पाती हूँ जैसे वो करती थी. Ultimately she used to still manage to feed me. She did become a villain because of all of this. In the family, everybody would always keep saying, तो पीछे ही पड़ी रहती है, तो सब टाइम खिलाती ही रहती है, ये तो रुकती ही नहीं है. You know, she's relentless like that. उसको नहीं खाना, बच्चा नहीं खाएगा. And I still hear that. But now when I am a mother and my son doesn't eat, I know he needs to eat. I will do everything in the world at that point to feed him. And it only makes me realize that it's really not easy being a mother. And we have a lot of convenience today. We can afford helps, we can afford nannies. At that point, she did have a help, but she had so much more to do. She had a job that she needed to go to as a school teacher, a music teacher. She had to be the Agyakari Bahu, also cook often at home, though my dadi used to cook as well. But, you know, just take care of the house. We don't do anything like that.
Right.
And now, honestly, I'm sure even they would agree that we've reached that point where our parents need us to be parents at a lot of points. You know, to push them for doctor appointments, to make sure that they sometimes don't eat wrong.
That they exercise, work out.
Yeah, all of that. So we
No, but I genuinely
try.
feel like they also make an effort, you know. Like I
A
feel
lot.
like they make a lot of effort with us now. Like, you know how love languages are a thing, and a lot of times, like, our mom loves us so much, but maybe she can't express us the way we want to be loved, you know.
True.
So it really
Yeah, it's constantly
yeah, it's
evolving.
Yeah, it's always
That's true.
evolving.
That's true. मेरे पापा आए थे लास्ट मंथ, वो डोर घर का लॉक खराब था, वो उसमें हथौड़ा मार मार के ठीक करके गए. मेरी मम्मी आई थी 2 दिन पहले, मेरी फ्रिज भर चुकी है.
That's
This
so
is their
cute.
love language.
Yeah, they so exactly. So when they don't,
That's so true.
you know, when they often say, you know, हमारा ये गाना आया है, mom, dad, you know, you've never once, you know, said, you know, we're really proud of you, beta. This is amazing. You're sounding amazing. But mom is not that person. पापा को हम फिर ऐसे बोलेंगे, पापा को अंदर से लगेगा कि नहीं, you know, I think I should say it, and he will really find ways very cutely of saying those things. But mom will have other ways of
100%.
sort of
But same, like when we are
expressing it.
traveling, I'll come back to a fully stocked fridge, and
Always.
everything is sorted at
The
my
house help
so-
would have learned 3 new recipes
course.
by then.
Of course. Yeah. So we'll end now. I will just need a minute of you guys, and I will request 3 of you. आज आप लोग तीनों एक साथ बैठे हो, and it's also the first podcast 3 of you
Yeah.
together in, so it's very special. लेकिन अगर आप तीनों को एक दूसरे से कुछ कहना हो, okay, things that you don't often get to say to each other. You and Prakriti, Ato, you live together. What would you like to say today to Akriti?
I think I would just tell Didi that first of all, I think she is literally the purest and the most innocent person that we have actually seen, and the most passionate person. And also, I don't think I understood what hard work is before I actually saw what it takes to really do the hard work. We've seen that and we normalized it so much that yahi normal hai. And then when you grow up, you're like, oh, people don't do anything. And this is the hard work. Like, I thought this is normal life, but it really wasn't. So I think our first introduction to music was because of her, because of mom. But I just want to thank her for, you know, always being our shadow and always making us
not make too many mistakes, you know, because I feel like we were very protected because of her, because of our entire family. But she has really, really, in a way, you know, started our career, like been that catalyst for us, you know, been an enabler. And she always makes us feel so confident. And I love that. And I feel like that's what an elder sister is. But she is the most perfect one. She really is. She has no vices. She's always just been too
Okay, next
perfect.
question.
She's crying. She's too perfect.
What is happening today?
Sis talk hug, sis hug, sis hug. Oh, that's so sweet. Yeah. Actually, you want to take a few seconds and tell them something?
I think they're incredible as just the way they are, and I sometimes, when I look at their life, I feel like they're living not just on their behalf but also on my behalf, because probably I didn't live at that point, and हमारी life के circumstances should not change how we are with each other. And if we can continue to just be ourselves, you know, no conditions, then life's going to be great. It's going to be. And I'm there. If anybody says or does anything bad to them, I'm going to break their noses.
That's what
As simple as that.
Yeah, that's what
Their
elder
noses.
sisters are for. Seedha.
love
No questions asked. Thank you so much. This was so much fun.
Oh, but she has to say something
हाँ,
too.
बोलो बोलो. You want to
Yeah, I mean, honestly, by the time it's reached me, I have felt every word in my heart and soul.
Correct.
As much as I'd like to say, like, copy paste, and literally, I feel like both of them, you know, if I have to really say something, they're like my two hands, literally. And I just feel so lucky to be born with two sisters who are going to be in my life till the end of time. And I'm just super lucky to do this life with the both of them.
That's so cute. And at this point, I have something for the three of you to put a smile back on your face.
That's so pretty.
So I'm all for women giving women flowers.
I love
This
that.
is for you.
She can buy herself flowers, but you got it for us.
And
So sweet.
Thank you.
Thank you.
have you bought flowers for yourself?
Yes, so many
है
For
ना?
times.
sure, for sure.
बिल्कुल करना चाहिए हमें.
But I like fake flowers also. I'm fine. वो मरते नहीं है, so I just feel like, you know, they die and that's depressing sometimes. So just fake flowers stay forever.
But I love sunflowers the most.
Thank
you.
They're so pretty. Thank
Thank you so much.